Okay, so this video is my vlog for day 3, which I'm one day behind on, and I am vlogging about my new storage spaces. So I got 2, basically 5 by 10 spaces, and what this one's going to be is where I'm going to keep a lot of my stuff for making these things. So these are the Soundtrap Design guitar hangers, or what I call STDs, that you want. We'll see if that works or not. But you may have seen some of these pics of this on Instagram. I'll post some more. But I make these out of soundboard and thin piece of plywood. Cut the center out here to hang the neck of the guitar, of course. And this one's for my Sister Monica's boyfriend Tom, who's a bass player, so it's higher up there considering it's a longer scale. And so this needs a lot of organizing. Obviously I'm going to be working on this today, tearing these things out, taking them out, and then putting in some rack shelves so I can organize all this stuff a little bit better. But for now it's a mess. And right across here is the other one. This one I have pretty much empty right now. So this is where I'm planning to actually do the work on this stuff, because, you know, clearly having a window helps, even though there is a light here as well. And makeshift electrical outlet. I gotta do something about that. But yeah, get fresh air through here. So there's a view out into the courtyard of where the pool's at of our apartments that I manage. Really great gig. Actually, it's been working out okay. And so this space is basically about 6 by 10, maybe a little over 5.5 by 10. And I'm going to use this as a little workshop, guitar setup, kind of make the Soundtrap wall hangers and other things that I want to work on up here, even though I can do a lot of that down in my music room as well. I'm planning to do it here to be out of people's noise direction, or whatever you want to call it. So that's vlog number 3, which is one day late for VEDA. Real exciting. Let me flip the screen here. How do I do that? It's not going to work, so I'm just going to turn this. So that's VEDA number 3 down, and Music Therapy Laz out. Thank you very much for watching. I know this is kind of boring stuff, but I'm hoping I set up like a timeline of the work I'm doing to get my studio room back together, or together, so I can actually use it like a functioning recording studio room. And thank you all, because you guys, YouTube and all, are really motivating me to make this all come together. I really wish I'd done it a long time ago, but yeah, time, right? But I've just been more motivated to get it done. So thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you're interested in watching more. Like if you like this stuff, or like if you want to see some more stuff, and just comment whatever you want to comment. And I'm hoping to grow my channel by another 57 subscribers by the end of this month with all this VEDA stuff. So hopefully I do something more interesting that'll draw more people in, obviously. And if I hit that 100, I'll buy a new camera for video taking, because right now I'm using this cell phone, which is okay. So we'll see how that goes, and then I'll learn how to stream and learn how to video edit and all this stuff over time, and hopefully put up some good musical content that you guys will enjoy as well, and lesson things and stuff that I've learned that I'm planning to do, as well as music therapy related things, hence the Music Therapy Laz, name of the channel. I've studied some psychology, and I'm planning on completing that degree and goal even in my later life here, because I think it's important. I don't think it's ever too late to learn and to change your career. And so yeah, that's what this is all about. So I hope you enjoyed this, and stay tuned for the next one, which will be later today. Thank you. Take care. Bye.